Just want to show you a new product we have on the website that I know you're going to like. It is the Tacoma door cleanup kit. So this is for all of you guys that hate the chrome and any silver that Toyota decides to put on your Tacoma. So we're just gonna throw these on really quick. It is probably the easiest installation you will ever do. What it's gonna do is cover up all the silver hardware that is OEM on your truck, as well as this silver piece that locks your door in place, as well as these door jamb pieces right here. Makes it look a lot cleaner and nicer. This is a very small mod and accessory, but it's one of those things that you look at every day and it just makes the experience and the look of your door a lot cleaner as you're getting in every day. Right, so in the kit, it will come with ample amounts of alcohol swabs. These are just to clean the surface before you put it on so it will stick better and adhere. Let's just wipe these off, let it dry now. And you're just gonna pull off the red piece so the adhesive is showing. And all you're gonna do is throw these right on top of those bolts. All right, next, this is my favorite piece to cover up because it has the most silver and chrome. This has been injection molded and cut just to pop right over this. Just like that. Last is this piece right here. This does not take any sort of adhesive. It just simply clips on just like that. This kit will come with all the hardware for all 4 of the doors. So we just did it on one, but you'll repeat these exact same steps for the front passenger and the rear doors as well. All right, just like that, that is it. Super easy and looks super clean. If you want to grab one of these, we'll throw a link right into the description below. As always, thank you guys for watching.